Welcome. If you've been getting non-stop push notifications every time someone goes live on your Facebook page, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and simple steps to disable live video push notifications on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. And yes, this works with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page where you want to turn off those notifications. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This opens up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Once you hover over or click it, an additional menu should pop up. Go ahead and choose Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where you control all your Facebook preferences. Next, on the left sidebar or within the settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section controls everything Facebook alerts you about. Within Notifications, there will be an option specifically labeled Video. Click on Video. Inside the video settings, you'll see a section for managing push notifications about live videos. Find the push toggle or button. To stop receiving those live video alerts, simply disable this push option, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy Facebook without constant interruptions whenever your page, or the pages you follow, go live. Remember, you can always come back and adjust these settings if you change your mind in the future. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might need a little peace and quiet from their Facebook notifications. Thanks for watching.